Just in at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1939 Plymouth Business Coupe, street rotted, all steel, and guess what? It's got a Hemi. 1956 354 cubic inch Hemi underneath the hood, dual quad setup that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front end of this car. Yes, correct headlights for 1939 Plymouth. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Got the polished 5-spoke wheels with the tri-bar spinners. Gray leather interior. Bucket seats, that 4-speed, of course, on the floor. Tilt column. And we'll check it out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. We'll pop that hood, let you check out that Hemi. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. FYI, there is a battery shutoff in the front of this wheel well, right down underneath that board right there. FYI, battery shutoff there. And there is also a charging cord that will come out for the battery charge that will come out below the rear here, and you'll be able to see that in the underside pics, but I just wanted to make note of that. So there is a charging port that does come out. The bottom of that has a power trunk release on the interior, and we're going to get into that a little bit more when we fire this up and check out the interior. Still pictures, once again, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Couple little spots I did notice. One was right there, if I can get it to show up in there. That's what I mean, just a few small imperfections like that, but boy, overall, this one will definitely turn some heads. Any of your local roll-ins, any of your local shows. Now, it does have automatic door poppers on the key fob. Key fob's in the car, so I will end up just reaching in the door and opening it up. And there is a manual one. You got to pull it and be a little firm with it, but there is a manual handle right down here, and you pull on that, and that will manually release that door too, in case you needed to do that. All right, let's go ahead and pop this door open. Take a look at the interior. So there's your power seats, and that is both sides, and they are working order. Take a look at the wear on the seats. Not much at all. Good condition. Headliner, interior, all finished off nicely. Again, tilt column, make it easier to get it on, in and out, more comfortable. Power windows, as you can see here. All right, now let me go through a few of these controls on the interior. You're gonna notice some switches. You have headlights right down here. This is the trunk release, power trunk release next to it right there. And then coming over to this side, wipers. And this actually has a power rear window, which is right under here. There's a switch that will roll down the rear window, so you get some ventilation in here through the side windows and out the rear. A little aftermarket stereo, AM, FM, CD. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Electric fuel pump goes on at the switch. You should see aftermarket tachometer up there. So nicely that Hemi starts. Oh, what a good sound too. As you can see, fuel gauge working. Temp gauge. Voltmeter, battery gauge. All right. This is believed to be original miles, since built, 4,100 miles. Dash. All right, let's look around to the back. Let you hear this run a second. I'm going to tell you a few things that were recently done to this car too. There's that Hemi, nice sounding car. FYI, recently new fuel cell was installed and fuel filter. Also has a new ram clutch, pressure plate, hydraulic throwout bearings, all new. Carb was rebuilt in 2021. Has a Ford 9-inch rear with adjustable 4-bar suspension. It's got QA1 coilovers in the back, so they'd be adjustable. That's a Muncie 4-speed in there, by the way, with a scatter shield housing, and again, hydraulic clutch. The dual quads that are sitting on this car, we're going to see in a second, they're on a custom classic speed equipment intake manifold, FYI. Kind of rare. So I tell you what, let's pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, let's get to the good stuff here. There's that classic Hemi. Again, 354 cubic inch, 1956 Hemi. Dual quad setup. Mirrored firewall or cowl. How fun would this to be? To have it a show, pop that hood open, show off that Hemi, aluminum radiator, and you can hear it is a smooth runner, no doubt about that. What a great looking engine bay. Nice and clean. There you go, looking for a street rod that not everybody's going to have. 1939 Plymouth Business Coupe, powered by a Hemi, 4-speed manual. Big Mickey Thompson's on the back. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.